Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how to style an old braid, you guys. Like, it's been almost 3 months since I made this braids, you guys. Like, it's all old, but you guys know what the situation of the country is right now. You can't go out, you can't braid, you can't even get your pedicure or even your manicure. Like, it's crazy, you guys. So I've been stuck with these braids. I wanted to take it down, but then on a second thought I was like, why take it down when I can't even make a new one? Because I've just been in the braid mood of late. So I figured different ways you can actually style your old braids to make it look really nice, especially using scarves to do it. Because you guys, especially, you know, when it's so old that you can maybe pack it up, it still looks brand new, but then the root is already, as you all can see, it's kind of loose. But don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to use a scarf to style your old braids so that, you know, you can rock it probably 2, 3, 4 weeks more. I don't know yet, but yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to spruce up this hair because, like I said, you guys, it's all old. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of oil sheen so that it will have a little bit of sheen showing. It's all old and very dull, so this oil sheen will just help to kind of activate the braids and, you know, make it look somewhat new. See, I can even see a difference with it. Like, the gold was looking kind of dull, but once I applied my oil sheen, it kind of adds a little bit of shine to it. This is actually my longest time ever having braids on. Normally I just have my braids on for 2 weeks at most and I take it down, but this right here, like, I've won the whole money I paid for this hair. I've won it already. All the $200 have been won. I love that bun effect, you know, when I'm using a scarf to tie my hair. So we're going to do the bun style, but this hair is actually too big. But I'm going to show you guys how to go about it. If your braids are kind of too big for you to pack it all together, you just want to go forward, kind of push all the hair forward, so it will be easier for you to kind of pack it. I will try to make the braids fit into my palm, guys, and then I'll go over it with my scrunchie. You don't need it to be all the way smooth, just something like this is fine. I'm just going to kind of twist it and then fold it all the way around. Like I said, you don't need to be perfect. You just want to form kind of a bun. This scarf is actually very long, so what I'm going to do is to double it. And then from your back, tie it up like this. You can do it 2 times if you want to. As you all can see, I just crossed it over 2 times. I'm just going to go tuck this in at the back because you don't want it to show. So you just want to go to the back, see, and just tuck it in. You do the same thing on this side. Not sure if you guys can see it well. So the next style is actually very easy. All you want to do is to go ahead and untie the bun. And then you can just put it by the side. This actually looks really nice if your braids are kind of shorter or if it's coily. But as you all can see, I have really long braids, so it's all okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure my hair scrunchie, the black scrunchie, is not showing. Look, somebody saying this hairstyle, we even know I've had this braids on for 3 months, because all you can see right now is just the beauty of the braids. All you can see is the nice braids, you guys. You don't even see the root of the hair. That is one thing I love about using a scarf, to kind of hide the mess going on the root of your head. This is the next style. Very, very easy. It's just the same style with the previous one. All you have to do is just bring it out right here so it would look kind of a bun. Very, very easy, very simple. Okay, so this next style is the one I do when I don't even want to do much to my hair. I just want to tie my scarf and I'm out the door. All you want to do is to go ahead, the same scarf, just tie it like you would, you know, if you go to church. You know how we normally tie our hair to church. You just want to tie it like normal. You want to like twist it into two. It's just a very simple twist, like this. And then you kind of form a bow. See? You kind of form a bun, not a bow. I don't know where my mind is. This is like when I don't want to do much to my hair, I just have it this way. Very simple, but it still gets your kind of roots all covered. Alright, so with the next style, I'm gonna go ahead and just make this to the back. And then we're still gonna just go ahead and twist it. Just the same thing we did at the back. You want to go ahead and form a bun in the front. We have a beautiful bun right in the front, and also I decided to bring the braids forward. Like with this particular styles I showed you guys in today's video, you guys, like you can see that once your root is covered, like the braids are still popping, so you can still, you know, rock your braids for a few more weeks before you take it down, because as you all can see, it's such an easy way of, you know, carrying your braids for a longer time before taking it down, even though they are all messed up on the inside. But just with people seeing only the braids, especially if your braids are still very, very fresh, you know, if you're able to maintain your braids, spray some sheen, and then just make it look good, and very, very easy, right? So with this next style, it depends on how long your scarf is. If your scarf is not that long, that means you're just going to apply it kind of 2/3 or 1/3 of the scarf, something like this. As you all can see, this side is far shorter than this side, so I'm just going to go ahead and then I'm just going to go behind and kind of twist it. Just tuck it in. It's quite very, very simple, very easy. The 5 styles I showed you guys in today's video is actually very, very easy. Something you can just, you know, throw on and get out the door. You can definitely get more use out of your hair for a little while with, you know, your scarf. And yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon.